What if you could travel the whole world with just one shirt? Well, turns out you can, and we made it possible. Introducing the HercShirt, the world's first smell-free shirt. After almost 10 years of development, there is no shirt in the world like the HercShirt. Engineered with advanced minerals, metals, and performance fibers, it's truly a game changer. Most shirts start to smell within hours. The HercShirt is designed to keep going for weeks, even months, so smell is never a problem. Pack one shirt and go. No backup shirts, no checked bag, no laundromat to track down halfway through your trip. From your morning coffee to the gym to work to dinner, one shirt takes you through the entire day without planning around a change of clothes. So if you are a traveler, a minimalist, or just someone who wants to live a lighter and freer life, upgrade your shirt to the HercShirt today and start living the smell-free life. Herc Leon. Live light, live free.